Hey, what's up, guys? I usually don't like to do the videos in my car, but it's the fastest way to get this stuff out to you guys in a timely fashion. So, without further ado, I'm gonna take a look at my portfolio. In my E-Trade account, I got $2,500, $2,503.09, and in my Webull account, I have $100. I did not invest my $100 that I got in Webull today. Reason why I didn't do that is because I had a feeling that the market was gonna do something crazy, and when I'm kind of unsure, I like to wait. And my small accounts, I like to wait until like a Tuesday. The market was pretty red today, and the belief was that a lot of people are taking their gains towards the end of the year, getting ready for the tax season coming up. But this does not mean that you have to sell right now. If you are following me, if you're in my road to 10K, we are heavily investing in LCA. We're still going to ride LCA up to the 30s, up to the 40s. So keep an eye on LCA this week as well as next week. We're still in LCA. We're still going to make our money. This is still a good stock. So do not panic because you see red on your account, on your portfolio. Do not panic. Okay. Also, other things I have mentioned is you got LCA, you also have Pfizer. So with Pfizer, I'm starting to believe that Pfizer is just a strong dividend stock through the coronavirus. I said I'm gonna give it until about midweek. I'm gonna let us get our first green day first before I just sell my Pfizer off and double down on RMG. So Pfizer has got support around 39, between 39 and 40, but I really need Pfizer to show me like 43, 44, 45 before the end of this week, before I just write it off as just another strong dividend stock. Now, like I said, we need our first green day off Pfizer before I make any big moves on Pfizer. Now, the next stock is INAQ. INAQ is a long-term thing. Like, I didn't expect INAQ just to do well out the gate. INAQ has history of spiking to the 15s, to the 20s, to the 30s. I have INAQ vested in the back end just for those quick spikes. So it's not nothing I'm expecting to get huge money off right now. Tesla was a great buy. I'm still making money off Tesla. Polar, if you are following me the road to 10K, Polar is still going between like 388 and the 410s. Sometimes it go to the 430s. I'm going to give that roughly another week of doing that. If it's still doing that next week, then I'm going to look to get out around about the 430s to 440s to move on. But I still believe that's a good stock for Q1. So don't quote me on getting out by Q1, getting out by the end of the month. I still think it has a great opportunity come January, but I'll definitely let you know what I decide to do, because I might get out of Polar and go back into INAQ, which is another stock I have. INAQ is really good around the 13s to 12s because, like I said, it has Mark Cuban on board. I believe in the leadership. I do think that stock is going to double. Now, the game is trying to find out what's going to double faster. Polar, I still think we'll hit the 6s easily, but we were targeting like the 7s and the 8s, but we got to get something from Polar on a green day. I got to give Polar a chance on a green day. That's what I'm hoping for. Let's see what Polar does on a green day, because remember, this stock is not even getting any news yet, so there's still opportunity for growth in Polar. So that sums up all the stocks I have in my portfolio for the road to 10K. Now, the term I want to use for today is trimming. All right, trimming is when you take some of your gains after you're up so many percent. The reason why you want to do that is because you want to take some of your gains to reinvest into other plays to make more money. But you might want to keep some of your stock in there in case it continues to rise. QS was a good example where it rose up to 47. I made a mistake of selling all my positions at 47 when I could have just took some of my gains and rolled that bad boy up to 70. LCA is going to be a great example of that. Like I say, target's 30, but I do believe this can blow past 30. So we might want to take gains, trim some gains at 30s, and then keep some in there to ride it up. But that is trimming. All right, now just to reiterate, do not panic on a red day. It's gonna be red days. It's not the last red day you'll ever experience if you continue to be a stock investor. It's gonna be ups, it's gonna be downs. Remember, red days are the days that you lower your positions. In the case of a stock you believe in, that's what you're supposed to do, is lower your position. In the case of a stock you don't believe in, you might want to consider cutting your losses, but do not take a loss. I would not advise you to invest in a stock that you don't believe in. That's just how it goes. So let's follow the road to 10K. I'm standing strong. I told you my strategy for each and every stock that I have, as well as other stocks that I'm looking at. If you're in my chat, please tell me what you think about the market today and it being red. And just, there's a lot of craziness going on. A lot of stuff is unpredictable, but I do believe in LCA, and I think we're going to get to the promised land on LCA. Please tell me what you think about how the market's been performing this past week and stocks that you're looking at. And if you haven't already, please like this video and subscribe, and share with a friend. And that's all I got for you today. Peace.